in fact, that hate speech has declined, which it has, and that the quality of the system, especially with respect to scammers and spammers, is dramatically better than it used to be. We've gotten rid of, at this point, well over 90% of the scams and scams, the scams and spam on Twitter. So it should be quite rare at this point that you see a scam. We've also rolled out sort of freedom of speech.
Just to be clear, when you say you got rid of 90% of the scams, is that the same thing as the bots, or is this scams in general, and bots is a different animal here?
They would typically use bots for scamming.
Yeah. But you haven't taken the bots down 90%?
No, I think we have, actually.
You think you have? Okay.
Yeah, I think we have, yeah. But maybe more than 90% at least. It is now much, much harder to operate a bot farm on Twitter and have it yield any advantage. Dramatic improvement in bots, dramatic improvement in ability to detect sort of troll armies, which is a little different. That's where you've got, say, 100 people in a warehouse in a low-wage country, each of which are sitting at a desk with 100 phones. So you've got 10,000 actual people, and they will then act together to brigade a particular subject or make something seem very popular when it is not. And we've been able to defeat almost all of them. We think very few of them are actually still able to operate.
So
anyways, the quality of the system has gotten a lot better.